Hi everyone. So I'll be explaining about our project. The project title of our group is an intelligent framework for voter pulse prediction using NLP techniques. So a voter pulse is a sophisticated political analytics platform powered by our proprietary real-time data ingestion pipeline and fine-tuned 120B parameter language model. So these are the NLP techniques that we are using, and it is specifically built for the 2029 Indian general elections. So it combines cutting-edge AI with interactive visualizations to deliver actionable political insights. So it consists of a real-time data pipeline. So there's custom web crawlers and news aggregators feeding live data, and there's the AI model is fine-tuned and it is optimized for Indian politics analysis, and it has a complete coverage, so all the states and union territories are covered within the state specific analysis. So, and it also gives interactive maps and charts and everything. If we talk about the features, so the features consist of live sentiment search. So the homepage provides a powerful search interface for real-time political intelligence. You can ask about any party, any leader, any issue or religion, and it automatically detects the politicians, party, states, topics, etc. And every insight that you get is backed by verifiable sources from our data pipeline, and it also gives quick access to hot political discussions. Here's an example how it will look. Another feature is a sentiment drift tracker. So it monitors how political sentiment evolves over time with the drift page. It also shows a line chart with positive, negative, and neutral breakdown. And the timeline understands what drove the sentiment shifts. So it helps a lot, and it is an AI generated analysis of drift patterns. So another feature is an interactive India heat map. So a map page is displayed, and it will be a color coded political sentiment map of India. So every state is colored by a ruling party or sentiment, and if you click onto any state, you can see the detailed analysis, and there's live sentiment scores for each religion. You can see the BJP, Congress, AAP, and regional party standings, and all the states are included, including northeastern states and union territories. There's color marking on everything. And another feature is election forecasting. So there's a forecasting page which provides predictive analysis for upcoming elections. So it can tell you estimated seat counts with confidence intervals, predicted vote percentages by the parties, and up down movement for each party, high, medium, low certainty ratings, and it also focuses on decisive regions. And there's also an alert system which can alert you for critical political development. For any major events, there's gonna be instant alerts, and unusual shifts trigger notifications and configure sensitivity levels and review past alerts and their accuracy. So this is about all the features that we have. And if we talk about the data flow of our project, so we have collected data from a lot of sources like news sites and social media and government pages, etc. about all the political content. And the project consists of a real-time ingestion pipeline. So scrapy crawlers and then streams, and then it all converts into vector embeddings and is stored in a vector database. So when user gives a query, like in the search box, the user gives a query, the query is processed, and then the voter pulse AI processes the query, and gives a response which is stored in a response layer. So this is about the data flow. So if we talk about the training pipeline, like how the data is trained. So first, the base model is like how the model is trained on the data. So the base model is trained on the diverse Indian text corpus, and then it is continued by pre-training on political documents, and it is fine-tuned for Q&A and analysis tasks. And after the training, it also trains from the human feedback from political analysis. So that was the training pipeline. So our model supports a lot of languages, every languages mostly. So the primary languages are Hindi and English, and it also consists of regional languages like Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Marathi, etc. So that was the overview of the project. Thank you.